In a world overflowing with information, distinguishing between what's true and what's merely a myth can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to food. Have you ever wondered if microwaving your meal truly destroys its nutrients? Or have you been led to believe that carbohydrates are the enemy of your waistline? Today, we embark on a journey to unravel these misconceptions and more, as we delve into food myths debunked. Separating fact from fiction, let's start with one of the most prevalent myths. Microwaving destroys nutrients. This assertion has been perpetuated for years, leading many to favor traditional cooking methods over the convenience of microwave ovens. But is there any truth to this claim? Research indicates that the nutrient loss in food is more closely linked to cooking duration and temperature rather than the method itself. In fact, microwaving can preserve nutrients due to the shorter cooking times and minimal water usage. For instance, studies have shown that steaming vegetables, whether in a microwave or on the stove, retains more vitamins compared to boiling them in water. When you cook vegetables, you want to minimize nutrient loss. Microwaving, when done correctly, can be just as effective as steaming or sautéing, preserving the essential vitamins and minerals our bodies need. So, the next time you reach for that microwave, remember, it's not the villain it's made out to be. Next on our list is the claim that carbs make you gain weight. This statement has caused many to fear carbohydrates, leading to restrictive diets that eliminate them entirely. But is this really justified? Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients that provide our bodies with energy. They're essential for proper brain function and are the body's primary source of fuel. The key is not to eliminate carbs but to focus on the type of carbohydrates consumed. There are 2 main types of carbohydrates: simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates, found in sugary snacks and drinks, can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which may contribute to weight gain when consumed in excess. In contrast, complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, are digested more slowly, providing sustained energy and keeping you full longer. In moderation and as part of a balanced diet, carbohydrates can be beneficial rather than detrimental. It's not the carbs themselves that led to weight gain, rather, it's the overall caloric intake and lifestyle choices that matter most. Another misconception is that all fats are bad for you. This blanket statement could not be further from the truth. In reality, fats play a crucial role in our health. Fats are essential for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins, such as A, D, E, and K. They also provide essential fatty acids that our bodies cannot produce on their own. The key is to choose healthy fats, such as those from avocados, nuts, and fish, while limiting saturated and trans fats. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet can actually support weight management, improve heart health, and enhance overall well-being. So, don't fear fat, embrace it wisely. Finally, let's address the long-held belief that sugar causes hyperactivity in children. This claim has circulated for decades, leading many parents to restrict sugary treats. Numerous studies have examined the link between sugar intake and hyperactivity. The consensus is that, while sugar can lead to short bursts of energy, it does not directly cause hyperactivity. Instead, the excitement of events, like birthday parties, often leads to increased activity levels in children. It's important to foster a balanced approach to nutrition for children, encouraging moderation rather than deprivation. The occasional sweet treat is perfectly fine when part of an overall healthy diet. Conclusion: food myths can often cloud our judgment and lead us to make choices that may not be in our best interest. By relying on science-backed evidence, we can separate fact from fiction and make informed decisions about our diets. Remember, microwaving can preserve nutrients. Carbohydrates are not the enemy, healthy fats are essential, and sugar does not cause hyperactivity. Embrace knowledge as your ally in the kitchen, and let go of the myths that hold you back. Thank you for joining us on this journey to debunk food myths. If you found this information valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. Until next time, stay curious and informed. Food myths debunked. Separating fact from fiction.